Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all see it's coming on down. Y'all supposed to be loving all this red. Taking advantage of it. Dollar cost average on in. That's why I said we're not loading up on anything because you don't know where the floor is. You might think it's the floor and it busts through that floor. And it creates another floor, which they call support. So, and they keep making new lower lows every day. So lower lows and lower highs. So just gonna dollar cost average on in it. Don't worry about it. Y'all just keep working. Keep on with your side hustles and funding your brokerage account. And we're gonna dollar cost average on in it. These the times where millionaires are made with these prices here. When the market crashes, remember, you make money when you profit when you buy, not when you sell. You're looking at that price and it's low, you already seeing the profit you can make. Man, I know this worth $30. Man, I can get it at 12. Boom, I can make $18. You know, Papa. I know this still at market price of value is $30. Man, now it was 12, now it's at $9. You know, that's with those discounts. So that's why I tell people profit made when you buy, not when you sell. But let's get it on there. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Portfolio value $144,952.50, down $775 for the day. Buying power at $177,458.21. And we about to get it in. Alright, get your papers and pencils. We are going for dividend growth stocks. One thing about it, when the market is down, growth stocks are good. You know, for you to accumulate, because you buying them at a discount. Remember I said, money is made when you buy, not when you sell. So when you buying them cheap, for one, you're lowering your average cost on your stocks. And two, you're getting it at a discount. So, but when the market is down, if you got a portfolio with $500,000 in growth stocks and you ain't getting but a 1.7% dividend on your portfolio, and if the market is down for 2.5 years, you're kind of going to suffer. And then to buy, you still gonna have to put some new money in, because some fresh powder, because you're not getting the dividends. The dividend's not big enough for you to buy to take advantage of the situation. But with dividend stocks, you can buy those. You can buy the growth stocks with your dividend plays. Most of your dividend stocks gonna pay more than the average growth stock. Most growth stocks don't pay anything. They reinvest their profits back into the company rather than giving it to the shareholders in dividends. So that's the only disadvantage of the growth stocks. Growth stocks is, like I said, it's for you to grow your money. It's about growing it. Turn $1 to $7. You know, it's not for a dividend or a cash flow play. You know, the cash flow, one thing about it, you live 30 days. If it's a monthly paying, you're going to have some money coming in. If it's a weekly one, you live 7 days, you got money coming in. That's why I like the passive income cash flow play. Cause anytime I want to opt out and buy growth, I can buy growth just with the dividend stock instead of put my new cash up in it, my fresh powder. And once you get your portfolio at a certain level, you never have to put your fresh powder in again, because the compound interest will be so strong that, man, you're not going to even need it. You're going to have money on the sideline just sitting. That's when you want to find you a safe little money market or savings account that got a 4% yield or higher, like this one here I got, where the APY Robinhood Gold is paying a 4% for me just leaving my money in there. And that's when you want to do that with that other one, so you take the risk out of it. So don't put in something like the S&P 500. You can. That's kind of, people can say it's safe. So I know some people use S&P 500 for a savings account and they got money sitting to let it sit there and grow. Well, anyway, let's get into our trades, man. Get your papers and pencils ready. Sorry for going on a rant, but that'll help somebody. All right. Okay. We are going to go with SPIT. Let's go SPYT. Time to get it in. Time to get paid. I am loving these pullbacks. I am loving it. SPYT. There's options on the S&P 500. Got down to what, 1895, but it like it undipped lower, which is great. Got down to 1878. I brought 3 shares already today. I'm about to go back in. Get me another share today. Like I say, you don't want to load up on everything. 1878. I want to make my lower calls at least below that $19 mark. I might go up it in a minute. I got some money on the sideline I need to do something with anyway. Got YMAG. All right, YMAG pays out weekly dividend. Down to 1708. 1758 today. I got 1744. Hold on. That's the high. I'm sorry. It got down to 1690. I'm tripping. 1690. Sorry, y'all. I got big fingers. 16.90. Dang, I'm hitting buttons and this it's like it's going to the other button. All right, 1690. I'll go get a share of that. And that's YMAG. We're gonna go YMAX. Yep, my tablet got everything wrong. I should have went on my phone. Cause I'm off. Yep. But we're gonna get through it. Don't worry about it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just go get $5 worth of this. This making new 52-week. These plays making new 52-week lows. So all the stuff where I was getting the full shares, that's what it is. I'm looking at the wrong list. I'm sorry. I got 2 lists up here. One for Monday. That's the Monday lows. That's what it is. Yeah, YMAG 1690. Yep, I got it right. It is. Spit 1879, yeah. Alright. Let me get this together. Okay. Spit. YMAG. We just did YMAX. Got 2 lists, y'all. My bad. Did YMAX. We're gonna go RYLD. I did get 10 shares of that today. That was at $15.97. See, make sure it's correct. Yep, $15.97 is the list here. Get $5 more of that while it's here. I'm gonna go AIYY. Fractional shares. I was getting a share of this every day though, to be honest. $5.82 because it's cheap. And I need to lower my average cost. It's the time for you to do it before I do that reverse stock split. Buying it just for the dividend and the income. I need to get me 100 shares of it anyway. MSTY, Misty, options on MicroStrategy. Coming on down too. Take advantage of these dips. $5 worth. I guess ain't gonna load up on nothing. I like the YMAGs and stuff because they pay out weekly. Another one you might see me go hard on in is RYLD. I know that's gonna go back above the 1660 range. So that's a quick swing trade for me to rinse and repeat. TSLY coming down. So I get full shares of those weekly payers. Alright, $10 right there. Gonna go YMAX. Oh, I done put this in. We already been there. I'm sorry. Going down this fresh list I just got. I don't care. I'm still gonna go get $5 worth. I like that stock. If I had to load up on anything, I'd do YMAX. Alright, YMAX. Gonna go YBit. Bitcoin came down yesterday. I know last night it hit the $91,000 range. I didn't check it out today. But YBit. ULTY. Going all in now. When this market get better, I'm gonna sit back and chill. 756. $3 worth for that. AMDY. This the only one I'm buying the yield maxes in. And my Weeble, I'm not touching it. I'm gonna buy OXLC. The only one I think I did buy was Misty, MSTY, because I need to get 100 shares of that. I'm just trading in this one. I'm gonna let them dividends just roll over and do its own thing. XDTE. This pays out weekly also. We're gonna get QDTE behind it. $5 worth of that. Gonna get QDTE behind it with that. I got down to 38.25 today. XDTE, QDTE. So you can take these yield maxes, what they say is volatile, and you can buy the S&P 500 with it. Reinvest the dividends into that. Then that's a growth stock, growth ETF. You know you can never lose or go wrong with the S&P. We're gonna go with Coney, CONY. $5 worth for that. $5 on in on everything. You can go USOI. I'm going for cash flow. I don't care. This world getting into a jam. I had them dividends coming. 60.64. Definitely got to take advantage of these. Get $10 worth of that. Should have got 20, but I'm do $10 a day. Bring down my average cost. Get my 100 shares. That's USOI, YMAX, TOPT. This another one I like. It's an ETF. I got $3 worth. Get another $2 while I'm on the line with y'all. I'm glad I didn't. I was about to get 1,000 shares with an average cost of $26.66. Something said to wait. Just dollar cost average on in. That's a new one I'm gonna be buying every day. CHPT charge point down at like 58 cents. Like I said, they getting beat down bad. They had a risk of delisting, but they gonna do a reverse stock split. 56 cents today. I already see that coming with these new EV companies. It is just what it is. Like I said, y'all might want to stay out of this one. I'm going to hold tight in it. I'm willing to take, the risk. It's to be a swing trade. Man, come on, man, really? See, just for y'all to know that's watching, I only had this problem when I'm in this Robinhood app. It's just the only thing. I done updated it, started the tablet over and everything, man, and I keep having this problem at times, but gonna get on through it. Only happen when I'm in this app. When I'm on my phone or anything else, it's fine, but on this tablet, on this app, it's tripping. Times it stalls out, seem like, but gonna get on through it. SBSW. Think about going to buy me a new one of them new Samsung. Some of my dividend money anyway, about $299. 337. gonna be another swing trade. 337. No, I'm gonna get one. This dollar calls at 0.37. I'm gonna sell these shares over above the $4.50 mark. Pay a decent dividend. Nothing to be excited about. Hit MetaFast up for y'all that's down in this one too. If you're not in this one, I advise you to just stay out of it. 1442. Like I say, the whole market's coming down. It's time for you to buy. They say Donald Trump doing these tariffs to force to make inflation go up, to force Powell to cut the interest rates. So they say they think this is one of his plans before he got into office. I don't really get into politics. I just listen to things that reaches out and affect the market. I'm still up in Intel. No need to bother that. So we're gonna see if his tactic is gonna work. If that's what it is, we're gonna go SCHG. 27.32, trying to get some of this. It's not an expensive stock, but it is an expensive stock. Got to buy these dips. It's a buy and hold. That's the Charles Schwab large market cap. Charles Schwab version. I'm looking at the list from yesterday too, so make sure we don't miss nothing, because all these gonna be the same old stocks anyway. OARK. That's the ARK. I'm gonna get $3 worth of that. Okay, we got AMD, Walmart, USOI. All right, y'all write down this. AMD. We just did AMDY, but y'all go get some AMD if y'all like the semiconductor chips. And get OXLC. Been giving y'all that for the longest. Put your buy order in at $5.04. P9 cent a share a month. Walmart right now today is doing good. Same things at like $97 from yesterday at $92. Like I tell you, this thing moves quick. So when you're able to catch it, you got to catch it. I hope it do hit that 92 again, because I'm going to go in and put me a little $20 fractional share on it. I just like to do that with it. That's everything. Let's go and check out traps. Probably will put me another buy order in on RYLD. That's one I do like. That's a buy and hold. Pay 16, 17, like 16.5 cents a share a month. All right, bank stocks coming down too, but not in my buy range. New Tech One. Something I need, but it's ain't gonna get no lower. Kind of dollar cost average to it. Go get some of that. Pays about an 8% dividend. Do have some green plays out there today though. Wine Electric, I'm still good. LTC coming down. Kinder Morgan, I know I'm good still. Comcast is a buy and hold stock dividend play. I'm just accumulating. Lower my average cost. Build it up some more. Probably gonna get out of this play when it's hit its 52-week high. This is a nice dividend play though. But they consider safe dividend. You can say that. It's not gonna pay any bills for you. I think the dividend yield around between 3 and 4%. RPT. I like this under 3. I want to sell it above the $3 range, but I'm gonna keep it for the long term. See what happens with it, and collect that juicy dividend. Intel, we done looked at. Bank of Nova Scotia ain't bothered with. HNNA, I been took profits on that. USOI, we got that. GLDI, that's cover calls on gold coming down, gonna wait. SLVO, I'm gonna let that come down some more. That's options on silver. We got OARK, AMZY, that's Amazon. Coney, we got AMD, AMDY we did. We got to do USOY. TSLY, ULTY we did. Misty we did. YMAG we got that. Got YBit. Spit we did do that. I got like 20 shares of that today. QQQY got that on at $1 a day. Recurring. I like to buy this under the $30 range. That's when I look at it as like a buy. Pays out weekly. QQQY. Like I said, I'm gonna do USOY. We got XDTD, QDTE, YMAX. We do need to get some PayPal though. I also need to check IWMY. This pays out weekly too. Take advantage of these dips. Add that IWMY. All right, we back. Let's see, we're gonna do PPPY options on PayPal. 1477. That's why I say don't load up on nothing. If you do gonna say you want to just get 1,000 shares, do that and reinvest the dividends. Dollar cost average, just reinvest the dividends on down. I say right now I wouldn't load up on anything unless it's something you know you want for the long term, or they like those weekly payers. Those are the only ones I'm taking risks doing it on. If I do, the ones I know I'm buying and holding for the long term, this FEPI pays out monthly, juicy dividend, 46.81. Sure, got to take advantage of these. I got it on recurring $1 a day, but when it's low in the market crash, I double it or triple it or quadruple it. USOY 1307. When you want to buy, instead of buying whole shares and hitting the new low every day, just split it up in fractions and stretch your money out. Got TOPT, we did that. That's everything done with the trade for the day. 22 minutes. Sorry for what it is, but when there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. Like Chris Sainz say, we're going to get on that. Let's check out GOOY too. It's options on Google. And I know this one should be down 1340. Yep. $3 worth of that. Just piecing it together. All right, y'all. Y'all enjoy your day. Y'all watch me some videos. Talk to you later. Go get your money.